I'm going to a mall right now and I have to show the QR code. As you can see, there's so many people here. This mall is crazy. This one. Yeah, as you can see, it's green. Only the green code can go into the mall. So I'm going to the mall right now. Okay, I don't think the guy's even looking. So I'm going up to the 8th floor to the restaurant and to meet my friends. But because the elevator is so packed, I'm going to take the escalator. So you can see some people, they are not wearing masks because Shanghai does not have many confirmed cases recently. Actually, no confirmed cases recently. So people are getting quite relaxed now. We don't necessarily need to wear masks when we go out. I strongly suggest you do though. If you do go out in Shanghai, you should still wearing a mask. Finally, we're here on the 8th floor. This is the floor for restaurants. I need to find that restaurant now. I think this is the restaurant. You can see. So right now we have to wait for our table. When I'm waiting, I want to show you what restaurants they have here in the mall. This is a typical shopping mall in Shanghai. Not the most high-end one, more like a regular shopping mall. So, and the background sound that you hear is the system that they use to call out the table number for waiting for the queue. Usually only the popular restaurant would have this voice system. The not so popular one don't need it. So this one is the Shanghainese restaurant. This one looks quite popular. See all the queues here. Hang on. All the queues for here. This is the Yunnan cuisine. So in South China. This one's the fish. And this one's for the steak. Fujian Cai. And then what else do we have here? This one is the hot pot. The Zhongshan beef hot pot. They have a beef. They have a not beef. They have a cow statue here. Hot pot place. Really popular. All these people are waiting for the. Oh, look at that. These guys. Cutting the beef. The famous hot pot for this is because the beef is freshly cutted. They slice the beef off the fresh beef, not the frozen one. Yeah, these people are enjoying the massage here. See, I think this restaurant, Chinese restaurant, is not opened yet. Oh, actually, it is. Ooh. Let's see what they have here. Oh, I like this one. Pork fried eel, sliced with pancake. Awesome. There's one cuisine that I really like. It's the frog, and let's see if I can zoom in there. Yeah, this one. Look. It's the frog, spicy frog hot pot. One of my favorites. It's really delicious. There's a frog restaurant over there. Let's go have a look. Oh gosh. Obviously this is a frog restaurant. And there's another one here. A frog Superman. Frog. Yeah, if you come to China, definitely try the frog restaurant. We're seated, and I think they are cooking something in the kitchen, so let's go have a look. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and I will keep uploading more videos about Shanghai. So don't forget to follow my channel and like the videos if you enjoy this one. Feel free to leave a comment in the below section, and see you next time.